Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel JP Khasi Tech. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Now let's start the project. First of all, go to the XML file and then let's create some object. First, I'm going to create the text view. I'm going to use the text size little bit higher. So I'm going to use 30 SP. Next, I'm going to need ID for the text. I'm going to use the simple TV again. Next, the button itself. Height and width, wrap content same. ID for the button. This is button A. Next, text size for the button, I'm going to use 20 SP. Next, text for the button, italic, close it. Control Alt L to rearrange. Now let me give the margin top little bit, 30 dp. Control Alt L to rearrange. Now I need two more buttons, so I'm going to copy this one and then press here 1, 2. Okay, now let me change name and then the ID. This will be bold, this will be normal, and also have to change the ID because the ID must be unique. This is ID A, this is ID B, and this is ID C. Control Alt L to rearrange the code. Now let's go to the Java and initialize the object first. First, I'm going to find the variable for the text view first. Text view. I'm going to use TV, close it. Now next for the button, same, private, and this time it's button. And all the buttons we can give in one. Okay, so I'm going to say button A, comma, button B, comma, button C, close. Now let's initialize those objects. Go here on create method. Do first for the text view, tb equal find viewer id r dot id dot, and then the id of the text view is tb. Close it with semicolon. Now next, button A is equal to find viewer id. Here also same r dot id dot, and then button A. Close it. Control Alt L to rearrange. Now for the second button, copy this one, second, and then third button. Change also the variable. This will be B, this will be C, and then also change the ID. This will be B and this will be C. Control Alt L to rearrange the code. Now let's set the on-click method for all these three buttons. So first I'm going to go with the A dot column method set on-click listener. Inside the parameter, new view dot on-click listener. Okay, now bring the cursor here, Alt enter. Now implement the method. Okay, now you can see this is the on-click listener for the button A. Now for the second, just copy this one and then paste here, second button, third button. Okay, so now you can see this is the button A and then this must be button B, right? So just type here B and then this must be button C. Control Alt L to rearrange the code. Now whenever the user will click on button A, the text must be changed to another style. So first, take the text view variable tv dot set typeface. Inside the parameter, call null, comma, call again typeface. Okay, dot. Now here you have to define whenever the user will click on button A, it is a italic. Okay, so give italic. Now close it. Now next, copy this one and then go to the second button here. Whenever the second button is clicked, then change the style to bold dot bold. Okay, now next, last button. So go here and then press again. Now whenever the last button is clicked, this must be changed to normal dot normal. Okay, Control Alt L to rearrange. Now let's run the project and see. I'm going to use Nexus 4. Okay guys, the apps has launched successfully. Now let's just test it. Now it is in the normal form, you can see. Now let's go to the italic. Okay, the style has been changed to italic. Now let's click on bold. Okay, the style has been changed to bold. Now let's go to the normal again. It's normal. It's working perfectly. Only this, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe. Have a nice day.